Lesson 1, Part 4, How to Draw Orbital Diagrams. An orbital diagram shows orbitals as boxes. And inside those boxes, there are electrons, and we use arrows to show those electrons. Look here. This box means a 1s orbital, and those arrows inside mean electrons. This is an orbital diagram. When drawing orbital diagrams, we have some rules. The first one is the Pauli exclusion principle. This rule says that only 2 electrons can be in an orbital and they must have opposite spin. See this first picture labeled A. Do you see these electrons inside this orbital? Both of them are going up. This means they are both spinning in the same direction. This is not okay. See here in image B. Look at the electrons now. One is going up, one is going down. This is good. So, when drawing electrons in the same orbital, they must have opposite spins. One will go up, one will go down. The second rule is called Hund's rule. This rule says that every orbital gets 1 electron before any other orbital can get a pair. This means if I have, for example, a 2p orbital and it has 2 electrons inside, I cannot do like this, 1, 2. That would be incorrect. Because each orbital must get an electron before they can pair up. So, if I want to draw 2 electrons, I will do like this, 1, 2. Let's practice. Draw the orbital diagram for oxygen. Oxygen has 8 electrons. So, we must start by writing the configuration. Pause the video and write the configuration for oxygen. Check your work. Is this your configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Now draw the orbital diagram. Now, if we have an S, we are going to draw 1 box because S has only 1 orbital. If we have a P, we are going to draw 3 boxes like this. If we have a D, we are going to draw 5 boxes. Make a note of this. And if we have F, we are going to draw 7 boxes. Because S has 1 orbital, P has 3, D has 5, F has 7. So, let's start. 1s. I'm going to draw 1 box. And I'm going to write 1s. How many electrons are in this? 2. So I'll do 1 up, 1 down, 2. Let's go to the next one. Next one is 2s. S will draw 1 box. 2s. How many electrons? 2. 1 up, 1 down. Next box, 2p. P has 3 orbitals, so I will draw that with 1, 2, 3 boxes. I will label this 2p. How many electrons inside? 4. So, I will not do like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is not allowed. Remember Hund's rule. I will do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure to copy in your notebook. This is the orbital diagram. Now you have configuration and orbital diagram. Let's do another example. Alright, go ahead and pause the video and try to draw the orbital diagram for fluorine. Fluorine has 9 electrons. Before you can draw the orbital diagram, you must first do the configuration and then you can do the orbital diagram. Pause this video and try to do it yourself. Alright, check your work. The configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Then you will draw the orbital diagram. Check your work. I will just erase this and show you again how I did the P. Okay, so the P is 3 orbitals, so I will draw 3 boxes. It has 5 electrons, so I will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.